Luoyang Kuwait RF Technology Company Limited, founded in July 2019, is a direct connector manufacturer in Luoyang, a key connector base in China. Covering 500 SQM with 30 employees, it benefits from an abundant supply chain. The company specializes in MIL-DTL-38999, MS27484 and other series connectors. With engineers from AVIC and a professional R&D team, it has ready-made molds for mass production. It ensures quality with inspection equipment and a lab. It's an AVIC qualified supplier, selling products at home and abroad, mainly in West Asia, South Asia and Europe. Used in avionics and medical fields and well received.
We can provide a military connector which meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.